These hacks are like mind-blowing. I've seriously never shared them.
We are looking at the Dollar Tree. I have some products you can't miss. And the first is these travel bags. These are really high quality. They have a kind of vinyl on the outside and a soft inside. These are perfect for organizing your purse. They have a brand new product at the Dollar Tree. They have these Dove Original Clean aluminum free deodorants. This is an amazing spot for all of your travel essentials. You can save so much. These are so much money at other stores. They also have these amazing travel tubes. I really like these travel jars. But the unsung $1.25 product is this pump dispenser. You can put so many different things in these. This mimics those really high-end dispensers, and I can bring just the right amount for travel. Do you want to save $10 and get an amazing night's sleep? Grab these Assured brand earplugs. I always stick them in my luggage and use them every time. You can also come to the pill section. This is a great way to bring a buffet of a pharmacy. You can label this and you can put jewelry in here. Really, the sky is the limit. We are going to come to the Crafters Square. They have these organizer boxes. This is equally great for traveling. I have to know in the comments how you would use it. I was thinking earrings. There are so many uses for this. I want to hear your creative ideas. Everything's compact and easy to see, and you're always prepared. Also, in the cleaning section, there is a hidden product, OxiClean Stain Removing Pens. When you see these, scoop them up. Grab one, grab two. Throw them in your luggage. They work just like the Tide pens. They have stain remover wipes. These are also awesome. You get 12 for $1.25. These are a great item. Stick them in your purse. I almost forgot. This stuff is fantastic. I buy it all the time. These hand sanitizers come in spray pens. Coconut is my favorite, but they also come in lavender and citrus. Let me know in the comments which one you like. Did you know you can use washable garment bags as packing cubes? You get 2 for $1.25, and these are perfect size. These are almost the same size as packing cubes. You can fit an entire outfit into these. And of course, there's the shower cap hack. I always put these on the bottom of my shoes. That way nothing in the luggage is going to get dirty. Did you know Dollar Tree has name brand facial wipes? They also have these lint rollers. They're adorable and fit so well inside your luggage.
I'd love to know what your favorite item was. Please share it in the comments down below. And don't forget to follow your heart.